busy. Basically, I'm saying this one is for the mothers, this one is for the mothers, this one is for all the mothers out there. Busy. I'm taking some time out to let my mother know that my love for her is continuous. It don't got no time out. Basically, enough love goes out to mommy for all those good things that she taught me. Enough love goes out to mommy. I'm glad I got a mother like she. I'm doing this one for my mommy. She never ever take her love from me. Enough love goes out to mommy to bear with a son like me. Busy from my age that was tender, her all she surrender. She grew me up through the slum, her love I could remember. Me help her greater the coconut, we never have no blender. She try her best to give me gifts the month after November. I fear song this, all my love I wanna send her. I'm looking at her in all her glory and splendor. If she was a million or a billion, me woulda save her up, no me wouldn't spend her. Busy, I'm doing this one for my mommy. She never take her love from me. Enough love goes out to mommy to bear with a son like me. Busy, enough love goes out to mommy for all those good things that she taught me. I'm doing this one for my mommy to bear with a boy like me. Alright then, back in the days when me used to go school, more time me want fight, but she tell me just school. Mama used to tell me say no bother with no tool. Learn the golden rule, cause Miss Velma never raised no fool. Hey, me not lie, me did rude, but she never treat me crude. Never let me short of food, all when me have a attitude. Just let me conclude for this woman. Basically, I'm feeling endless love and gratitude. Enough love goes out to mommy for all those good things that she taught me. Enough love goes out to mommy. I'm glad I got a mother like she. I'm doing this one for my mommy. She never ever take her love from me. Enough love goes out to mommy to bear with a son like me. She know me help her, but she wash, she clean, she cook for me. And if me last, me know she really woulda look for me. Me never dance, but she help out with the homework in the book for me. Hey, play it back on the top of the book for me. Enough love goes out to mommy for all those good things that she taught me. Enough love goes out to mommy. I'm glad I got a mother like she. I'm doing this one for my mommy. She never ever take her love from me. Enough love goes out to mommy to bear with a son like me. Basically, I'm saying this for mom. Hey, I remember all those sardines and crackers, bull and pear. You told me to have no fear. Who there? I never forget the lashes and whips. You know, hey, you taught me discipline, that's why I'm here making these hits.